Let's start. We are here to verify the truth table of the full adder. So, full adder basically it adds the three binary inputs and it provides the sum and carry. So, it is a combination of the two half adders. As you can see here, it is the first half adder and it is the second half adder. So let's start the let's start the practical of the full adder. So it has three inputs. So it is the circuit of the full adder. So we will try to make this circuit on the digital trainer kit. So let's start. First input goes to the first input of the AND gate, and the second input is goes to the second input of the AND gate, and both the inputs also provided to the exclusive OR gate. And the output of the AND gate will goes to the OR gate input, and the now we will make the second half adder. So the output of the first exclusive OR gate goes to the second AND's input, and third input goes to the second AND's input, and these two AND inputs are also provided to the exclusive second OR gate. And from the output of the exclusive OR gate goes to the output of sum, and the output of the OR gate goes to the carry. And one we have missed, output of the second AND gate goes to the OR gate input. Now we have completed the circuit. Now we will verify its truth table. So if all the inputs are low, we have the low outputs as a sum and carry. And if we have a third input high, if we have a third input high C, then we have a sum is high and carry is low. Next we have A low, B high and C also low. Then we have a carry 0 and sum high. Next, if A is low and B and C are high, then we have carry is high and sum is low. And if both the B and C inputs are low and A input is high, then we have a carry 0 and sum is 1. Next, if A input is high and C input is also high and B input is low, then we have carry high and some low. Then if we have A and B both high and C is low, then carry is high and sum is low. If all the three inputs are high, then we have both the outputs sum and carry high. So we have verified the circuit of full adder.